don't forget that some of these meats will stall on you. It could stall for 2 hours, so there's your 2 hours already eaten up. If you do come across a stall, the stall's going to happen somewhere between 145 and 160 Fahrenheit, and all that really is the muscle cooling itself down. So because it's heating up, there's moisture being pushed out of the muscle, and it just simply is going through a cooling system. So it won't get any less and it won't get any higher. If you maintain the same temperature, it'll just flatline for about 2 hours. Say, for instance, a brisket that's going to cook for 8 to 10 hours, it's probably going to need some sort of a wrap or a cover around that sort of 4 to 6 hour mark. Consider wrapping at that point or increasing the temperature.